Sabi ni Nina, I'm currently residing in Japan. Sabi sa mga YouTube videos, pwede daw yun sa mga nasa abroad. However, wala naman akong bank dyan sa Pinas. Any recommendation po for people na nasa abroad? Bigyan kita ng two options. Una, itong BDO Kabayan Savings. Itong BDO Kabayan Savings, yung alam kong ginagamit ng mga OFW, meron ditong dalawang klase ng account. You have itong Kabayan Savings Dollar at saka Peso. And what they said is it's online na. So pipili ka lang ng account, sagutan yung form, they need a valid ID and your selfie. Tapos yung BDO rep will have a Zoom video call with you and then you make your initial deposit. And pangalawa, I asked my stockbroker, ang ginagamit ko kasi is 2Trade Asia, and according to them, and yes, it's possible for you to open an account with 2Trade Asia and pwede yung foreign banks as long as it's under your name. Tapos, they can also send you a list upon opening your account na kung saang banks ka pwedeng mag-deposit. And if you want more stock investing tips like this, especially if nasa abroad ka, you can follow this page for more.